Imagine standing on a frozen world where the ice beneath your feet suddenly catches fire, or drifting through a cloud that smells like raspberries while floating alone in the endless darkness of space. As impossible as these things sound, they're real. The universe is filled with places so strange that even the wildest science fiction stories struggle to compete. And these are 10 of the most unbelievable. At number 10 is burning ice. Fire and ice are supposed to be opposites, yet in space, they can exist together. Deep inside comets and icy moons, scientists have found methane trapped within crystalline water ice, creating what's known as methane hydrate, often called burning ice. Here on Earth, this strange substance can actually burn if ignited because the methane escapes while the ice melts. Similar materials are believed to exist throughout our solar system, especially beneath the frozen surfaces of distant worlds. It's a reminder that space constantly rewrites the rules we take for granted. At number 9 is the Raspberry Cloud. Near the center of our Milky Way lies an enormous cloud known as Sagittarius B2. Stretching hundreds of light years across, it contains a remarkable collection of complex organic molecules, including ethyl formate. This same compound helps give raspberries their distinctive aroma and also contributes to the flavor of rum. That doesn't mean the cloud literally smells like fresh fruit, since space is a vacuum and humans couldn't breathe there anyway. But it's still astonishing that one of the galaxy's largest molecular clouds contains chemicals associated with familiar scents and flavors here on Earth. At number 8 is the Rogue Planet. Every planet in our solar system faithfully circles the sun, but not every planet has a star to call home. Rogue planets wander alone through the darkness of interstellar space after being ejected from their original planetary systems or possibly forming in isolation. With no sunlight to warm them, these lonely worlds drift endlessly between the stars. Some scientists even believe that hidden oceans could survive beneath thick layers of ice, warmed only by the planet's own internal heat. If life exists there, it would evolve in complete darkness without ever seeing a sunrise. At number 7 is the Glass Planet. About 64 light years from Earth orbits HD 189733b, one of the most famous exoplanets ever discovered. From a distance, it shines with a deep blue color that resembles our own planet. But beneath that beautiful appearance lies a deadly world. Temperatures climb above 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, while winds exceed 5,000 miles per hour. Scientists believe tiny particles of silicate are blasted sideways through the atmosphere, creating storms of molten glass. On this planet, even the rain can slice through almost anything. At number 6 is Diamond Rain. Imagine looking up at the sky and watching diamonds fall instead of water. Researchers believe this may actually happen deep inside the atmospheres of Uranus and Neptune. Under enormous pressure, methane molecules break apart, releasing carbon atoms that are compressed into diamonds. These crystals are thought to sink through the planet's interiors, like glittering raindrops, before eventually melting under even greater pressure. Although no spacecraft has witnessed this directly, laboratory experiments strongly support the possibility. Somewhere in our solar system, it may literally rain diamonds. Halfway through our journey, the scale suddenly becomes much bigger. At number 5 is UY Scuti. Located thousands of light years away, UY Scuti is one of the largest stars ever identified. If it replaced our Sun, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Mars. More than 1,700 suns could fit across its diameter. Trying to imagine its size is almost impossible. Even light, traveling at nearly 186,000 miles per second, would need hours just to cross the star from one side to the other. Compared to this giant, our sun looks surprisingly ordinary. At number 4 is the black hole. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in existence. Their gravity is so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses the event horizon. They bend space and time themselves, creating environments where the normal laws of physics begin to break down. Some supermassive black holes contain billions of times the mass of our sun and sit quietly at the centers of galaxies, shaping the evolution of everything around them. They're completely invisible, yet their influence reaches across enormous distances. At number 3 is the Great Wall. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is one of the largest known structures in the observable universe. It's an immense concentration of galaxies stretching across roughly 10 billion light years. To put that into perspective, light itself would need around 10 billion years to travel from one end to the other. Its enormous size has surprised astronomers because structures this vast push the limits of what current cosmological models predict. Whether future discoveries change our understanding or confirm its true scale, it's already one of the most astonishing things humanity has ever observed. At number 2 is the Boomerang Nebula. Space is cold, but the Boomerang Nebula is even colder. Located around 5,000 light years away, it's the coldest known natural place in the universe. Its temperature has dropped to about 1 degree above absolute zero, making it even colder than the faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself. This extraordinary chill is caused by gas expanding outward at tremendous speed, cooling dramatically as it spreads into space. In a universe filled with blazing stars and violent explosions, this frozen cloud is one of the quietest and most extraordinary places ever discovered. And at number 1 is TON 618. Nothing else on this list truly compares. Billions of light years away lies TON 618, a quasar powered by one of the most massive black holes ever found. This cosmic giant contains an estimated mass of around 66 billion suns. Its event horizon is so enormous that our entire solar system would disappear inside it with room to spare. As surrounding gas spirals inward, it releases staggering amounts of energy, making TON 618 one of the brightest objects ever observed despite its unimaginable distance. It isn't just another black hole. It's one of the greatest monsters the universe has ever revealed. The deeper we explore space, the stranger it becomes. Burning ice, clouds filled with familiar molecules, lonely wandering planets, glass storms, diamond rain, stars beyond imagination, invisible monsters, galaxy-sized structures, places colder than space itself, and black holes so vast they challenge comprehension. These discoveries remind us that the universe is far more mysterious than anything we could invent. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure into the unknown.